Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Concept2 Model D Indoor Rowing Machine. This cardio machine features an advanced PM5 performance monitor, improved ergonomically designed handles, adjustable footrests, and a flywheel designed for smooth movement with minimal noise. The Model D has a comfortable 14 inches seat height with an aluminum I-beam monorail and stainless steel track for a consistent back and forth slide. When done training, you can quickly break down the rower into two segments for storage or use the included caster wheels for easy transport. The Concept2 rower provides one of the more comprehensive, full-body workouts of any fitness machine. Engineered to last a lifetime, it's low impact enough for use in physical rehabilitation centers, and intensive enough to be used by the world's fittest athletes. For details, let's watch more. Our second best cardio machine for home is Bowflex Max Trainer. With interactive display enhanced dual mode LCD/LED screens with 7 guided workout programs and connectivity for up to 4 individual users. Custom workouts automatically adjust time and intensity as you improve. The personalized coaching technology that integrates with your M8 to create daily, custom workouts that automatically adjust time and intensity as your fitness improves. JRNY app subscription required. Max combines the full body, low impact motion of an elliptical with the calorie burning power of a stepper to help you torch calories. At a fraction of the size of most ellipticals and treadmills, this space-saving machine easily rolls into nearly any corner of your home. Interactive full-color backlit display and magnetic media rack for tablet or smartphone. Third choice in our list is AirBike Classic. The all-new AirBike is a modernly designed take on a very old traditional air resistance bike. Fixing everything that was wrong and implementing new technology. Strengthening all pivot points and upgrading them with bearings instead of bushings to provide a powerfully smooth operation. Workout with no limits due to the unlimited resistance provided by air. Power your legs and arms faster or slower to determine your resistance. Monitor time, distance, calories, watts, RPMs, speed with the onboard smart computer console. Includes motivating programs, like Tabata intervals, which help build up strength and stamina, or choose the heart rate monitoring program to monitor your pulse and build up your aerobic base. All this is wrapped up in a frame that can take the abuse and dish it out too. Number 4 in our side is Concept2 SkiErg with PM5. The Concept2 SkiErg makes the sport of Nordic skiing available to everyone. Long recognized as delivering one of the toughest workouts around, Nordic skiing develops both strength and endurance and exercises the legs as well as the arms and core. The SkiErg can be used for both double pole and classic alternating arm technique. The performance monitor is what sets the Concept2 SkiErg apart from other cross-country training devices. Sophisticated yet easy to use, it allows you to accurately assess your output, monitor your progress, and compare your scores with others. Each SkiErg comes with our most advanced performance monitor, the PM5. The SkiErg's ergonomic, strapless handles provide for a comfortable, secure grip and won't absorb sweat, so they stay dry in high-use settings. They are also suitable for all hand sizes as they require no adjustment. For details, let's watch more.
The Concept2 SkiErg offers a full-body low-impact workout based on the sport of Nordic skiing. Proper technique can help you get the most out of your workout. Start with your feet shoulder-width apart, approximately 18 to 24 inches from the flywheel. The arms are bent at 90 degrees, slightly above eye level. The drive is initiated by engaging the core. Drive the handles downward by hinging at the hips before bending your knees. After each pull, the knees are bent and arms are extended along your hips. The thumbs are aiming for the thighs. Wrists do not bend. The arms will not fully extend. From this position, stand up and elevate your arms for the next pull. You may come up on your toes at the start of each pull. The goal is to create a smooth, fluid, continuous motion. For a classic skiing technique, alternate arm pulls. Keep some bend in the pulling arm for a stronger position. A seated position isolates the upper body and core for an alternative workout. This can be a great workout for adaptive athletes or those recovering from lower body injuries. The versatile SkiErg makes the tough workout of Nordic skiing available to everyone.
Last in our top 5 best cardio machine for home list is Schwinn Airdyne Bike. For an intense, full-body cardio workout that builds strength and blasts calories, it's hard to beat the Airdyne AD6. Its signature wind resistance technology puts you in control of your workout intensity. LCD console with continuously visible metrics and an rev meter RPM gauge that is perfect for interval training. Foot straps on self-balancing pedals for greater motion control. Convenient transport wheel location for moving and storage. Integrated water bottle holder to keep you hydrated. For details, let's watch more.
For an intense, full-body cardio workout that builds strength and burns calories, check out the newly designed Airdyne AD6 upright bike. It's got all the quality and durability you'd expect from Schwinn, plus Airdyne's signature wind resistance technology, which uses your speed to control your workout intensity. Move your arms and legs simultaneously to engage your upper and lower body, or switch from pedals to foot pegs and focus only on your upper body. Either way, the more effort you put in, the better results you get out. The newly designed Airdyne AD6 is loaded with must-have features, like a super quiet, frictionless fan that keeps you cool, shrouding on the BioSync linkage system for safer workouts, a convenient transport wheel location, self-balancing pedals with foot straps for greater motion control, a large console that keeps all your performance metrics front and center, a rev meter RPM gauge for interval training, telemetric heart rate indicator, plus a built-in bottle holder, reading rack, and windscreen. The fully featured, highly affordable Airdyne AD6. Just one.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!